Hello again. Welcome to What Happens, your one-stop hub for exercise insights and suggestions. In this edition, we're exploring the top 10 strength-enhancing workouts ideal for beginners. No matter if you're fresh on the fitness scene or looking to refresh your regimen, these routines will bolster your power and establish a strong base. But before we kick off, remember to click on subscribe and turn on notifications, ensuring you're always in tune with our newest exercise updates. Let's get to it. Workout number 1, push-ups. The trusty push-up is our first stop, an excellent multi-muscle exercise. Initiate by placing your hands a little wider than your shoulders on the floor, maintaining a linear body position from head to heels. Activate your core, drop your torso towards the earth. Keeping your elbows near your torso, then press back up. This routine primarily fortifies your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but it also stabilizes your core and lower back. Strive for 3 rounds of 10 to 15 reps, escalating the challenge as you evolve. Workout number 2, squats. This foundational workout is excellent for enhancing lower body vigor and advancing general functional motion. Stand with your feet aligned with your shoulders, toes angled slightly out. Keeping your chest high and core engaged, drop your hips back and down as though you're about to sit on an unseen chair. Ensure your knees align with your toes and refrain from them caving inward. Push through your heels to return to the start. Primarily, squats focus on your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, while stabilizing your core. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, escalating the weight or resistance as you adapt to the exercise. Workout number 3, pull-ups. This superior workout enhances upper body vigor and carves a V-shaped back. Find a sturdy horizontal bar to grasp with an overhand grip, wider than shoulder width. With fully extended arms, engage your back muscles and elevate yourself until your chin surpasses the bar. Descend with control. Pull-ups focus on your latissimus dorsi, biceps, and upper back muscles. If full pull-ups are challenging, begin with assisted variations or resistance bands to gradually build power. Aim for 3 cycles of 8 to 10 reps, escalating the difficulty as you evolve. Workout number 4, bench press. The bench press is a well-known routine emphasizing upper body power, especially in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lie on a bench with your feet solidly grounded. Grasp the barbell wider than your shoulders, aligning your wrists with your forearms. Drop the bar to your chest, maintaining a right angle at your elbows, then press it back up. Bench press, a multi-muscle movement, focuses on the pectoralis major, deltoids, and triceps. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, increasing the weight as your power increases. Workout number 5, deadlifts. Deadlifts are a superbly efficient workout for augmenting power in your posterior chain, including your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Stand hip-width apart with your toes just under the barbell. Bend your knees, keep your back straight, and grip the bar with an overhand grip, hands outside your legs. Activate your core, keep your back straight, and lift through your heels. Stand tall at the top of the movement, squeezing your glutes. Lower the barbell in a controlled manner, ensuring you maintain proper form. Start with 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps, adding weight as your technique and power improve. Workout number 6, lunges. Lunges are a brilliant workout for building leg power and stability. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees form a 90-degree angle. Press up through your front heel, returning to the start. Repeat the movement on the opposite leg. Lunges focus on your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes while also engaging your core for balance. Begin with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps on each leg, adding weights or transitioning to walking lunges as you gain strength. Workout number 7, rows. Rows are a vital exercise for creating a robust and balanced back. Stand with slightly bent knees and lean forward from the hips, keeping your back straight. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your body with arms fully extended towards the floor. Lift the weights to your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together, and then lower them with control. Rows primarily work your rhomboids, trapezius, and rear deltoids, assisting you in enhancing your posture and developing a strong back. Begin with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, adding weight as you become comfortable with the exercise. Workout number 8, overhead press. The overhead press is an outstanding routine for developing shoulder and arm strength. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells at shoulder level, palms facing forward. Push the weight upwards until your arms fully extend overhead, then lower it with control to shoulder level. The overhead press targets your deltoids, triceps, and upper chest, helping you develop robust, defined shoulders. Begin with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, gradually adding weight as you progress. Workout number 9, bicep curls. Bicep curls are a key routine for engaging the muscles in the front of your upper arms. Stand holding a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward. Keep your upper arms stationary and curl the weights up towards your shoulders, contracting your biceps at the top of the movement. Slowly lower the weights, maintaining control throughout the entire range of motion. Bicep curls isolate and strengthen the biceps, aiding in achieving toned and powerful arms. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, gradually increasing the weight as your biceps strengthen. Workout number 10, tricep dips. Our closing exercise is tricep dips, which target the muscles on the back of your upper arms. Find a sturdy bench or chair and sit on the edge, gripping the edge next to your hips. Extend your legs in front of you and slide off the bench. Lower your body by bending your elbows to a 90-degree angle, then push yourself back up to the starting position. Tricep dips are an effective bodyweight exercise for building tricep strength. Strive for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, ensuring you maintain proper form throughout the exercise. To make it more challenging, you can elevate your feet or add extra resistance with a dip belt and weighted plates. And there you have it, our top 10 strength-enhancing workouts for beginners. By integrating these exercises into your fitness regimen, you'll be on a fast track to gain strength, enhance muscle mass, and attain your fitness aspirations. Prioritizing proper form and technique is crucial to prevent injury and maximize outcomes. Begin with lighter weights, or each exercise's modifications if necessary, progressively advancing as you grow more comfortable and assured. And of course, always pay attention to your body's signals and rest when needed to allow for adequate recovery. We trust you found this video valuable and enlightening. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite exercise or any queries you might have, and spread the word among your friends who are also initiating their fitness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our future fitness content. We're here to support you on your fitness journey one step at a time. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember, consistency and perseverance are the secrets to achieving your fitness aspirations. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and stay powerful. Until next time.